Have you ever wanted to solve a Rubik's Cube before? Well, there are some people that can solve it like this. Sadly, most people can't do that, so I'm here to help you. Here's what you're gonna need to solve a Rubik's Cube. A Rubik's Cube, a squid hat, and cinnamon rolls. First, grab your squid hat. Now put it on. After you've finished completely putting it on, mix up your Rubik's Cube until it is fully unsolvable. Once you're finished with that, simply just hold it and throw it up in the air. And congratulations, you've solved your Rubik's Cube.